Okay, so let's look at number 1. Carter reads 48 pages in 6 minutes. So he reads 48 pages in 6 minutes. So we're trying to find out how many pages at that rate will Carter read. So how many is x in 10 minutes? Like always, we're going to cross multiply. So it's 6x equals 48 times 10. And we already know 48 times 10 is going to be 480. We're going to divide both sides by 6. 6 divided by 6 is just 1. So that leaves the x alone. So x equals 480 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6, we already know is 8. You add the 0 in. So x should equal 80. And the answer to that question will be 80 pages at that rate will be read by Carter in 10 minutes. Number 2, Julietta sells hand-crocheted baby booties. The price of 6 booties is $111. What is the price of 4 booties? So, the price of 6 booties is $111. And we're trying to find out the price of 4 booties. So we're going to cross multiply. It's going to be 6x equals 111 times 4. And like always, we're going to divide both sides by 6. And we already know that 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that leaves x alone. And then we should get, let's put it into the calculator. So 111 times 4 is 444. And if you divide that by 6, you should get 74. Or around 70. So, but this would be the answer. Okay. What is the average speed of a plane that passes 2,500 miles in 4 hours? So, to find the average speed, we're always going to need to divide. So, we're dividing 2,500 by 4, and I'm going to do this manually because that's all we need to do here. So 4 times 5 is 20. Bring the 5 down. Bring the 0 down. Then we have 4. Oh, sorry. Wait, before we bring it down, let me go back. Hold on. Okay. So let's try putting this into the calculator so we have a better option. Divided by 4. So you should get 625. Like that. Because to find the average speed, it's always distance divided by time. So remember that. Okay, let's look at number 4. It's expected to have 2 sunny days per week in February. What is the expected number of sunny days in February? So 2 sunny days per week. 2 sunny days per week. And we know that there are 4 weeks in February. So we're trying to find out how much that is. So we're just going to put a 1 here for 1 month. So we're going to cross multiply. So 1 times x is just x. So it's just going to leave us with x. And then we're going to have 2 times 4 over here, which is just going to be 8. So the answer should be 8, which is D. Okay, number 5. Samantha paid $56 for 12 pairs of socks. What is the price of 9 pairs of socks? So we don't know the price, but we know there are 9 pairs. So we're going to cross multiply 12 times x. And then we're going to do 56 times 9. I encourage you to do this on paper manually so that you just improve your division skills. So you get 504. And if you divide 504 by 12 like this, you get x alone, and this should be 42. So it's A. Okay, let's look at number 7. 12 bottles contain 18 liters of soda. How many bottles contain 12 liters of soda? So we have 12 bottles that contain 18 liters of soda. We want to find out how many bottles contain 12 liters of soda. So we're going to cross multiply 18 times x and 12 times 12. Oops, that looks like a subtraction sign. Okay. We already know 12 times 12 is 144, so I'm just directly going to write 144 right here. Then we're supposed to divide both sides by 18. So we're going to do 144 divided by 18, which gives us, so first 18 divided by 18 is 1, so we leave the x alone. And 144 divided by 18 gives us 8. So 8 bottles contain 12 liters of soda. Let's try Michael sells tickets to a football game. He sold 321 tickets in 3 hours. How many tickets at that rate will he sell in 5 hours? Sold 321 in 3 hours. How many will he sell in 5? So then 3x equals 321 times 5. And 321 times 5 is 1605. And you divide both sides by 3. And if you divide both sides by 3, oops, I don't know where that came from. If you divide both sides by 3, you should get 535. Go ahead and try the rest of them on your own and do some more for extra practice.